Hi, my name is Miranda Martin, and I am a former Helms College student here. I didn't know what I was going to do when I moved back, moved here in 2012 from California. I was a single mom, 44 years old, of two children. I just wanted to do something new and something different, and I went for it. I wanted a new career, and culinary was it, and it is it today for me. That's what I'm doing 10 years later. I wanted to start something new, and Helms College was a new school that was starting through goodwill. So I took the chance, and I was one of the first classes in 2014. And I remember just the hands-on training. The instructors were great here. I took a lot from it. And if you really are about the industry and culinary field itself, there's so much you can do, so much you can do. Helms College helped me be more confident in being able to create menus, budgeting. I'm able to shop, and I'm able to just take on anything that anyone is presenting to me as a job, a potential job. And if you're a person that is excited about food, this is something that you want to do, don't be nervous about it. Go for it. Please come check it out.